What I love about this particular line is how easy it is and effective it is in just, quite frankly, minutes. Give you a nice cleanser. As you can see already, immediately you start to just smell the beautiful ingredients. And then we're going to give it just a really nice rinse. I think the wonderful thing about milk as well is when you're rinsing it, and even when you're rinsing with 4x4s, you don't feel like you have this tackiness on the skin. It doesn't leave a soapy residue. And then the second step in this process is going to be the application of your serum. The serum and the elixir go together. Molecularly, they're structured so that the serum can penetrate. This particular serum is all about brightening the skin. So the caviar lime has these natural elements of brightening the skin. And so you're applying one dropper, closing it up nice and tight. Just applying very much like you applied your cleanser. And then last but not least, I'm actually going to do, because the weather's pretty hot, we're going to do a really half of a vial here, a little dropper full. A little goes a long way. The nice thing about the dropper is you can really adjust what it is that the skin needs. If you were really dry, I would suggest doing an entire dropper. If you have a little bit of oil to your skin, natural oil, I would say less is more, and this goes a long way. With time, the skin will drink up the serum, but it gives you a beautiful base without having to layer any more other than, if your choice is sunblock, then go ahead and do that. What I happen to love about this is you can apply this on your lips, and unless you're going to have a really large meal, it will stay on your lips and condition it. It's paraben free, and then of course you have that kokum butter that conditions your lips. And I love it because it gives you just a subtle color with fresh, clean skin. And here you go. How are you feeling?
Fresh and clean.